Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Amapiano like Gaba Cannal. We will dive into the core elements that define his unique sound, starting with the foundational log drum. You'll learn to craft those deep, resonant bass lines that are characteristic of the genre. We'll also explore the soulful chord progressions and intricate percussive layers that give his tracks their undeniable groove. Get ready to elevate your Amapiano production skills. The log drum is the heartbeat of Amapiano, and Gaba Cannal masters it. Start with a rich, deep log drum sound, often found in VSTs like FL Studio's DX10. Program a simple, yet groovy, 2-bar or 4-bar pattern that repeats throughout your track. Remember to keep it relatively sparse to allow other elements to breathe. Adding a subtle sub-bass layer beneath it will give your track that powerful, chest-thumping feel. Gaba Cannal's tracks are known for their soulful, often melancholic, melodic content. Focus on minor scales to evoke emotion. Utilize classic Amapiano sounds like warm, evolving pads and the iconic Rhodes electric piano. Keep your melodic phrases relatively simple and memorable, allowing them to loop effectively. Layering a few different synth sounds, perhaps a soft pad with a plucky synth, can add beautiful depth and texture to your overall sound. Percussion is key to the Amapiano groove. Gaba Cannal often uses shakers, congas, and rim shots to create intricate, driving rhythms. Don't overcomplicate it. Focus on a steady, hypnotic feel. Think about your arrangement as a journey, introducing elements gradually and building energy. Subtle automation on filters or effects can add movement. Finally, ensure each element has its own space in the mix for a clean, professional, and impactful sound.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.